Why is War Cantonment, a military city in Pakistan, significant in history? What tales does it harbor from the Mughal era, and how has it evolved into the modern-day hub of education and industry? Let's delve into its fascinating past and explore the bustling present of this unique city. Named after Emperor Jahangir's admiration for the area, War Cantonment is nestled near Taxila in the Punjab province, approximately 30 kilometers northwest of Rawalpindi, Islamabad. It's a city with a peaceful environment and an impressive literacy rate of 100%. The city's historical significance dates back to the Mughal era, but its modern identity was forged in 1951, when it was designated a cantonment. This marked the beginning of a new chapter in its history as the home of the Pakistan Ordnance Factories, POF, a complex producing a wide range of arms and ammunition. The POF plays a crucial role in supplying defense equipment to Pakistan's armed forces. Shortly after its designation